So, as promised in the last video, it's now time to show you the hotel, the place we're staying, and the hotel is called the Topas Ecolodge, and it's located maybe 45 minutes from Sapa Town. And yeah, it's a very nice place. So, as I showed you yesterday, the hotel is located in midst of many rice terraces and mountains surrounding it. And yeah, we're here. It's now day 2, and I want to give you a little tour, also tell you about which rooms in my opinion are the best. So if you want views, if you ever want to come here to book a room, I now show you for which room you have to ask, because not all rooms are good in terms of the views, because the first room we got, it was facing in the wrong direction basically. And yeah, today we were able to change, so we have those views there, the rice paddies right in front of our room. So I now show you the hotel and also give you a little tour of the room. So I'm now walking around here along those bungalows, and I wanted to tell you, if you ever want to book here, which bungalows are the best, or the ones you have to ask for if you're a photographer and want to have the best views to photograph directly from your balcony, so to say. So there are 2 categories here. So the premium executive, which is kind of the normal category, and then if you pay $100 more, you get a suite bungalow, which is a little bit bigger, and in the first row. And this was something which was a little confusing for me. So where exactly are the bungalows located? And so you have like the suite bungalows with really the best views, and they're down there in the first row, and you have nothing in between you and the rice paddies. So if you have the money, then just get one of those and be fine. But if the premium executive are expensive enough. So if you don't want to spend the extra and want to get a premium executive still with a great view, you have to ask for one of the bungalows here on the left side, also facing into this valley to the rice paddies. And I'd say the best bungalows, in my opinion, are 204, 203 and 202. Those have views directly to the rice paddies, and if you get any other bungalow of the premium executive, you're facing away from it a bit. And especially the one we were in before was 216. It was facing the other direction of the valley, and really not what I wanted to photograph. It's also spectacular, but if you look down there, this is really what you want if you're a photographer. And this is what it's worth for me to stay here. Okay, so now let me show you the room. So this here's our room. It's one of the normal bungalows, so they're called premium executive. And it's a beautiful room, but for the money you're paying in Vietnam, you can actually get better or bigger also. As I said, we're here for the views mainly, and this is what you're paying for. But I can show you the room, so don't understand me wrong. It's really beautiful. So it's the bathroom, the shower, and then here the bed. We have a mosquito net, because actually here in Sapa you have mosquitoes, and you have to be a bit careful also because of malaria. And here I already have all my stuff. So beautiful room, good size, and the best, as I said, about the rooms here is the view. And this is what I show you now. So here it is, the reason we're here. This is the wonderful view of the rice paddies, and you get this only from the bungalows I showed you. So not every bungalow has this view, and yeah, I'm glad we could change our room. And yeah, I could just pull out the camera with a long lens and photograph in this direction. So sunset that way, sunrise there, so you get a beautiful sunrise view. And yeah, it's actually quite nice here. And this evening I'm gonna explore a bit more, see if I can photograph some more of the rice terraces. And yeah, for now I think I'm gonna just sit here, enjoy the view and relax a bit.